Are you seeing Photopea error code 429 and wondering how to fix it? In this video, I'll explain what this error means and show you several practical solutions you can try to get Photopea working again. Error 429 usually means that too many requests have been sent from your internet connection or browser in a short period of time. Photopea uses rate limits to protect its servers, so this message is often temporary and does not necessarily mean your account or computer is damaged. If this guide helps you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful software tutorials. Let's get started. The first solution is simply to wait it out. In most cases, a Photopea 429 error is temporary. Stop refreshing the page, close any duplicate Photopea tabs, and leave the website alone for around 15 to 30 minutes. Repeatedly reloading the page can continue sending requests and may extend the time before the limit resets. After waiting, open Photopea again and check whether the editor loads normally. This is often the quickest solution, especially if the error was caused by opening many files, refreshing repeatedly, or making several requests in a short period of time. The second solution is to change your IP address by switching networks or toggling your VPN. If you are using public, school, office, hotel, or shared Wi-Fi, other people on the same network may be sending a large number of requests. Since rate limits can be associated with an IP address, your connection may be affected even if you personally have not made many requests. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it and try Photopea again. Alternatively, if you are not using a VPN, reconnecting to a trusted VPN server may provide a different IP address. You can also temporarily switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot. To do this on a phone, enable your mobile hotspot, connect your computer to it, and then open Photopea in a new browser tab. If the error disappears on the mobile connection, the original network or shared IP address may have been the cause. Once Photopea works again, you can return to your normal connection and test it later. The third solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored website data can sometimes cause loading problems or keep an old session active. In your browser settings, open the Privacy or Browsing Data section, select Cached Images and Files, and consider clearing cookies or site data for Photopea. You do not always need to delete all browser data, so if your browser allows it, remove data only for Photopea. After clearing the data, completely close the browser, reopen it, and visit photopea.com again. Another quick way to test this is by opening Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On most browsers, you can open this window from the browser menu or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac. Then open Photopea without restoring old tabs. If the website works in private browsing, the problem may be related to cached data, cookies, or an extension running in your regular browser session. The fourth solution is to disable aggressive browser extensions. Some extensions can create many hidden background requests without making it obvious. Auto-refresh tools, automatic translators, page monitoring extensions, certain ad blockers, script managers, download assistants, and productivity tools may repeatedly interact with the Photopea page. Those requests can trigger the server's rate limit and produce error code 429. To test your extensions, open your browser's extension settings and temporarily disable anything that automatically refreshes pages, translates websites, blocks scripts, modifies page content, or monitors network activity. You can also test Photopea in a clean browser profile with no extensions installed. Reload Photopea only once and wait for it to finish loading. If the error disappears, re-enable your extensions one at a time until you identify the one causing the issue. Once you find it, leave it disabled for Photopea or adjust its settings so it does not run on the website. There are a few additional habits that can help prevent the error from returning. Avoid rapidly refreshing Photopea, opening many editor tabs at once, or repeatedly uploading and reopening the same files. Close duplicate tabs and allow each action to finish before starting another one. If you use an automation tool, browser macro, or script connected to Photopea, stop it temporarily because automated requests can quickly trigger rate limits. If none of these solutions work, wait a little longer and try again from a different browser or network. You can also check whether Photopea is experiencing a temporary service issue. Avoid repeatedly sending requests while testing, because that can make the rate limit last longer. Remember, error code 429 generally means too many requests, not that your project files have been permanently deleted. To recap, first wait 15 to 30 minutes without refreshing. Next, try a different IP address by switching networks or toggling your VPN. Then, clear Photopea cache and cookies or test the site in an incognito or private window. Finally, disable aggressive browser extensions such as auto-refreshers, translators, and script blockers. One of these solutions will usually resolve the issue. And that's how to fix Photopea error code 429. If this tutorial solved your problem, please like the video, subscribe for more software fixes and tutorials, and share it with anyone else who is having trouble opening Photopea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.